So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Looks like she's got some grown out color here as well. Wow, what an amazing silver transformation. I'm loving this icy pixie style. This is just gorgeous and very unexpected. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, and just overall styles that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something new and exciting with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this pixie style that features a nice shaven undercut. The color combination is absolutely gorgeous with this beige blonde and two-tone black color. Next up, we have someone rocking out some shoulder length hair. So let's see what she ends up doing with this transformation. The stylist cuts the hair. Oh, looks like she got a bob, a mini bob with bangs. Very nice. And not only did she get bangs, but she also got some baby bangs. Really cute. So then we move on to the next one. She's got a gorgeous head full of like copper colored hair. Oh, beautiful bob. Wow. Breathtaking, and I love that color. So pretty. So here we move on to the next one. She does have a bob. Looks like she's mixing in some bangs to her style. Now, as you guys know, bangs with bobs are very popular this season. We're seeing so many updates with the bangs. You can also rock out bangs, of course, if you have longer hair, because I think bangs in general are just trending heavily in 2023. It is a great look to try out. So here we have another bob style. She's also getting a bob with bangs. More like that French girl vibe with this one. Beautifully done. Very short and sweet. And then we once again see someone with hair just past their shoulders. She mixes in some color for this makeover. Stylist kind of trims the hair just a tad. Very nice. The color is so soft and subtle. Beautifully done. And then we see someone rocking out a mini bob style. She does have the purple and blue money piece highlights going there with this look. Very fun color combination. And then we have someone with long, dark, mid-length hair. And looks like she has decided to mix it up with a shoulder length style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.